welcome to a new episode on Bamboo Homestead. This week has been crazy again. We had really hot weather, which was alright if you had a swim on and off. They're quite sticky, and wildlife has struck again. That's a story I'm going to tell you later in a second about today. And then we also had a hailstorm that happened in the beginning of the week or middle of the week. Hailstorm because it was so hot, about maybe golf ball size. We're desperately trying to water the garden all the time, but we don't have time with the kids and also not much water. So yeah, the garden is sad. We've got plenty of tomatoes, which is exciting. But otherwise, yeah, we got corn as well, celery, really a lot. If you have any good celery recipes, please let me know. Because all I do is making soups, and it's summer, so I don't really feel like all the time a soup. But other than that, yeah, I don't really have that many ideas with celery. And then in this week I'm also going to show you how I did alpamagrone quickly in the kitchen. That's like a Swiss dish with potato and pasta. Max didn't like it in the beginning because he thinks those two things don't really fit. But now, it's too many carbohydrates, but now he actually likes it. Yay, pretty cool. We got some beautiful sweet corns in the garden now. And some sad carrots, but still works. So yeah.
A carrot, Mommy.
And some spaghetti squash, so plenty of beautiful veggies. And some beautiful potatoes, also from the garden. I'm gonna make alpamagrone, which is a very Swiss meal to do, with some pasta and cream and cheese. And Kaya found a funny carrot with a flower on it. Zeig mal schnell, zeig mal Dini. With a long stick. Zeig mal. Huge stick and a carrot. Pretty funny. Probably tastes a bit woody, I would think. Puts all its energy into flowers and then not in vegetable anymore, but I reckon it's still gonna be good. Huh? She's fine. So here I've got half milk and half water and potatoes in it. And I'm gonna add some pasta in a second once it's boiling, so it's pretty much now ready. Put some paprika, aromat, which is a Swiss sort of salt, kind of, and pepper. And then over here we got some onion rings that I fry up, and then after I'm gonna chuck some more oil in and panko crumbs, and then here we got the veggies just boiling up. Yeah. Now after we're gonna add some cheese to this and some cream, and then all the panko crumbs are in. And I added some extra water into the pasta because I chucked too much pasta in, kind of hungry. But now we just let it cook until it's ready, the pasta, until it's al dente. And then some people in Switzerland eat apple mousse next to it, which I don't really like. Never liked it as a kid either. But yeah, this is like panko crumb, crunchy, crispy onion rings that we chuck on top of the alpamagrone. And then once they're cooked, we add some cream, a splash of cream and some cheese. And once that's melted, we're ready. So we're ready. This is served for Kaya. Nice onions on top. Garden veg. Yummy!
Garden veg.
Garden veg.
Is it?
That is bloody fat, eh? Oh,
It is moving a little bit.
gross.
It's quite quick when it wants to be. I picked it up in our room. Put my shorts on and I was like, whoa.
Hello, Australia.
Yeah. Shake your clothes out before you put your pants on, mate. Always got to give them a good shake.
Here we've got our Kensington Pride, yeah. Mango seeds. And Maxie cut them out already from the seed, so it's just a little tiny seed that actually grows in there. And it will just speed up the growth, hopefully. Yay. So we put them in the ground. Yeah. So here we've been growing some corn. That was a few weeks ago already. And about half of them already got dug out by chickens, of course. Yeah, but still, others are still growing, so that's good. Max had a big stick and made holes quite deep so that the rats and wildlife can't dig it up. And then I was putting them in on one side and he was filling the holes up on the other side. We had Nana over from the boys and helped us too. I think Joan had a sleep on the left there in the pram and Kaya helped with making holes. Little tiny harvest, and this is actually a mini rock melon. It's so cute. Let's taste it. Here we're storing the seeds, drying them, and then we can grow them again, and hopefully they're going to be bigger. But it's actually pretty good. It's finished. Okay, it's fine. A little bit small, but pretty tasty. Not too sweet, but still a little bit sweet. But that was all due to the no rain, really. No, that's no good. That's so many hails. It's gonna be a hailstorm. Oh no. Uh-oh.
It's only hail.
Looks like snow in our garden.
It's because it's so hot. The ground's so hot.
That was crazy. Now, 2 seconds ago it was hailing like crazy and it's still raining, but the sun is already back. And I hope my car is not too dented. And the garden had to comment as well, I guess. And yeah, we were sweating all day. I'm in a bikini, I'm hot. Crazy, that's the biggest hailstorm we've had in 3 years since. And then to the guana story from today again. Today we saw him again, the big guana that ate our chickens a couple of weeks ago. Huh? You don't want to look into the camera? Yeah, so it ran up the tree again. We couldn't really shush it off. And we were scared that it's either gonna steal our eggs, but probably most likely getting a chicken again, like 3 weeks ago or something. So the chickens make some noises, and then we run back down and try to get him on the ground and shush him off. But we haven't managed that yet. And then just the second time now we heard the chickens going nuts again. We waited a little bit longer, and then Max ran down. And then he ran down. We didn't even wait that long, but he already had a chicken in its mouth. And it's my favorite chicken, my fluff ball chicken. It's an Araucana, a little smaller one. But we saved it, well, Max saved it. Yeah, pulled some feathers off her, but otherwise I think she's alright. And then he ran back up the tree again, so we're still on the same game. I'll keep you updated in a second. Now I need to go and cook dinner. So So we're lucky didn't lose any chickens. I'm surprised because a few actually stepped outside. Because I fed them inside the coop and most of them went in, but a few naughty chickens stayed outside and didn't want it to come in, and I was like, you know what, whatever. And the guana stayed up on the tree, I think, until it got dark, and yeah, now it's the morning time and I checked and they're all still there, and I'm guessing the guana left. So if you have any ideas what to do with the guana that steals chickens, what should we do? I don't want that whole scenario every day. And I know it would be great to have an electric fence, but for that at the moment we don't have money. So that would really solve all our problems, so hopefully in the future we can afford an electric fence. Happy birthday to you.
I'm out. That's it. And last one.
Yellow! Woohoo! So good.
Right, blow out his other whiskers. Sparkly whiskers.
Yay! Oh, daar komt Pieter.
Hey, very good.
Let's take all of them out.
Und dann, was willst du machen mit dem Kuchen?
You're going to take them.
Du hast rumsuchen. Hat Jovin sein Händchen gefunden? Hast du sein Händchen gefunden? Ja. Bist du im Suchen? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next week or in 2 weeks' time. See ya!